Morning, good morning. Sorry, I had my mic muted. Here we go. 6 seconds till the market opens. What's going on, Rob? Good morning. Adam Aaron. Oh, elected chairman. And he retained the CEO position as well. So it's almost the end of July. We have the meeting coming up like in 7 days or 8 days. Let's see what happens today. We were at pre-market new high of 44.95, but we pulled back slightly here, right around market open. But so far we're seeing some push, a little push here. And we can see 50 today. That might be a little bit of a stretch, but 45 above closing up for $45 would be great. Let's see. I want to keep a close eye on Tesla today. Set an alert on this. I think one of the key levels to hold today is definitely going to be $40. 40 bucks. Let's go to Twitter, see if we have any news other than Bezos, unlike yesterday. We just had Blue Origin all over the place. AMC short squeeze is trending, is it? Or is it just trending for me? Because Twitter does that. Fauci lied, people died is trending. National Hot Dog Day. So we're seeing something of a pullback here on AMC. I mean, I wouldn't be too surprised after just looking at the 4 hour, the 1 hour, that big massive extension, that big push. Really, we had it yesterday. Obviously, everything has to pull back to a healthy medium, but in this case, I think we still see a potential reversal playing out in the next couple days. So let's just wait and see. That's exactly what I meant like 2 weeks ago when I meant this whole thing just takes on forever. It's just gonna extend this whole process. When we have dips like that to like $30, it's just gonna extend the whole process. This whole squeeze because it has to find support levels, and then it's like 90% chance there's gonna be a bounce, in which we saw two $10 bounces already, and we're still here at 41. Ortex tweeted AMC's gain of 24% yesterday was the strongest day since June 2nd. Stock lane activity was high with almost 25 million shares being borrowed or returned, and an increase of 2.5 million shares newly borrowed. Estimated short interest in AMC is 14.63%. Let's go to the actual Ortex software themselves and see what if it's showing 14.63%. Nice bounce, 41. We're down what, 2.6% on AMC? I think we could close green today. So they're showing 14.65 now. Nice. $42.25. Like once again, pre-market high was literally right 5 cents under 45. And so far, right now how we opened, we're not looking too bad. Look at this. Yesterday into market closes where it really was a lot of FOMO, honestly. These rallies, these pushes. I'm curious to see in 2 days or tomorrow uh what Ortex numbers are showing. Because quite frankly, I think some of the shorts might have been covering here too. Morning, John. We're still battling 42 here. Okay, let's take a look at Virgin Galactic. Back above 30, 31, 32. I think Virgin Galactic is about to make a move. If it breaks 33, I think it might make a move to like 38. It's definitely found some support at 30. Let's have my alert. Let's move this alert up to 31. Uh, WDC, Western Digital. I remember we were talking about this stock like a month ago. Somebody here mentioned this one as a buy, and I said I'm not too sure about this stock. And I think that's why I have an alert. I mean, oh yeah, this is exactly what it was. I think we were at the 52-week high. I think they brought it up like, no, it was way before June. It was before it hit this new high, and I thought I was chasing at these highs. I'm glad I didn't buy. Look at this, it's pulling back now. AMC is seeing some slight resistance here at 42.60. Tesla with the new high. It's not coming down for me. SPY pushing. Nasdaq just completely ripping. Is Apple above 150 again? No, 145. The Dow's also hitting new highs. Green open so far, not too bad. Morning stacks a lot. Let's move this alert up here. Oh, there's that AMC rip. 43, above 43 once again. 43. What was a power hour high yesterday? 44, right? The quadruple fours. 44, 44. What a start! What a start! Look at this. 43, 41. I'm definitely getting some of those early June vibes on AMC. Definitely some volume momentum we haven't seen yet. It's coming back. On the daily, I believe we're above EMA slightly. Yes. If we can close above like $42, that'd be amazing. And then again, we do have earnings on August 5th after the market closes. So above 40, what's the next level of resistance? First and foremost, of course, 45. And the next level, I would say 50. So that's why I think it has the potential to hit 50. Look at this. We just went green. We were down like 2%. See, like these candlesticks don't look normal. So why do I have a feeling like shorts cover at these prices? Like they brought it down to like 30, and then they slowly started to cover some. They're probably gonna bring it down and then cover some again. Hmm. Unless this is just more people buying, or some institutions buying. I don't know. What's going on, Keith? More than 200 people in the United States are being monitored for monkeypox. Come on, give us a new rip. Yeah, I saw that headline. It said the loyalty of the apes. Do you guys think that's somewhat problematic that he's the board? I mean, the chairman of the board. The first thing that came to mind when I read that was Elon Musk. You guys remember he knew when he was chairman and he lost his position in what, like 2018? I mean, after he just started going crazy on his Twitter. I don't think he's like that. Elon's just something else. Come on down, Tessa. Yeah, I'm definitely getting those June 2nd, early June vibes here. Volume, momentum. It's here. Let's refresh short text. The Ortex short interest for AMC slightly went up. So I would say 40 and 42 definitely crucial support levels of resistance. And so far we're far above that. I haven't taken a look at the options chain for quite some time on AMC. Oh, what the heck? My alert didn't even go off on this. That's the problem with Thinkorswim. Hmm. Did Apple drop too? Yeah. Was this just a little fake out or what? Are we going red? From the looks of it right now with AMC, it's looking set up for a strong day. So just like yesterday, I think we underestimated, or I underestimated. I thought we would hit like 40, in which we did, but it continued to break out and hit 44. Today might be one of those same days. 45 resistance first, and then I would say every whole dollar number after that headed to 50. Come on. All right, this is this. What is this, like the third chance for AMC to rip to a new high? It's coming. 43. Is there like a wall there or what? Why does it shine away? Shine away slightly. 5-minute EMA's at 42.49, so there's definitely some cushion for support. Maybe even 43 would be nice. Did you guys see Chipotle stock yesterday? It was going crazy after hours. And it still hit a new high right now. Neo new high. It's not following Tesla today. Pretty interesting. There's AMC once again. Retesting 44. Morning, Colleen. There's that pop above 44. 44.12. Up still 2% on the day. Went from red to green. Pre-market high was 44.95. I'm sorry, I was watching a video. 44.40. We're so close to the pre-market high. Guys, maybe I could possibly see 50 today. I don't know. Might be a stretch. Might be too early to call it, but look at yesterday. Yesterday was like, this is paradise right here. That's nuts. And so far, we're setting up for another day like that. Nathan, am I allowed to sell yet or not? You can sell whenever you want, man. I'm not one to call you a hedge fund or a shill. Like everybody has a different plan, different strategy, appetite for risk. Oh, come down, baby. Come on down, Tessa. It's not coming down. Back to AMC it is. 44.60 still. It's so close to that pre-market high. Only a couple cents away. Here comes the rip. 79. 15 cents away from the pre-market high. 10 cents. 3. It's possible. It's possible. There it is. New high today. So still being above EMA. How further can this stock go? I'm still sticking with $50 for today. Let's go. GameStop following along as well. 192.69. Is there a wall there at 45? There's a small wall there, which I don't think it should have a problem breaking past. Let's not have that be the high of the day. Damn you, Tesla. SPY still green. That's still a good sign. NASDAQ still kind of flat. Still no direction yet for the NASDAQ. The Dow still hitting new highs. Yep. AMC still seeing some resistance at 45. GameStop on its way to bust an AMC and test that pre-market high at 193.88. Good old Ortex. Refresh this. Still nothing. So I'll keep you guys updated on the Ortex data on the Discord. I'll plug in the free Discord link in the chat. For those of you that are interested in Ortex updates, I probably update it like every 2 hours or so. Alrighty, another green candle after the first red candle that we pulled back from 45. Is this going to be the candle to take out the high? It probably is. Oh gosh, it took it out. 45.10. I'm telling you guys, I think today's setting up to be another one of those days like yesterday. Like the strength we had. I know we had some minor pullbacks here, but regardless, it still held the trend. It's still there. The trend is your friend, baby. 45.25, literally almost back to $50. Off the lows of what, 31.10? So just looking at this from like the 1 hour, obviously there's just 1 hour alone. You zoom back, it goes all the way back to like the June 22nd. There still obviously is that downtrend off the highs of $60. So AMC would have to like test 50 to test the trend line. So that's why I'm sticking with $50. Even then, if it hits 50, it pulls back to like 44, 45, maybe even $40, and it still holds there. It's still looking very bullish here, if that's the reversal. So it's gonna take some time. That's the problem with these massive pullbacks. I find support, it starts to rip again like we've seen right now, and it's just a long ass process. It's moving day. We're all moving to Texas. What was the pre-market low? Like 656. Hmm. We're moving right next to Rob. We're actually moving in with Rob to his island as well. His new island. So far this is staircase, guys. We're slowly just staircasing up. 45, 45. I feel like there's FOMO again on this stock. Like, don't you guys sense that right now? I will not be moving to Texas. We'll buy houses around each other, and that will be our community, our rules. It's starting to sound like a cult, man. 45.85, up 6%. Literally at 46. Take us to 50. What's stopping us from just having a massive rally here? A massive, like, 4 or 5 candles that takes us to 50. You're moving next to Robert Boker. GameStop's a little bit behind. GameStop should be like at 200 right now, honestly. Bitcoin actually bounced, guys. That was my fear yesterday. I had like a little bit of FOMO on Bitcoin, actually missing the bounce and just it's back at 31.5. This is the second time I've missed that bounce. Every time I tell myself it could go a little lower, it's gonna drop a little lower. Nope. Like I'm convinced if it hits a new low like at 25, it's gonna have a strong rebound. 46, there it is, 46. I'm telling you, what's stopping us from hitting 50? I don't think anything is. GameStop needs to wake up. Oh boy. Oh boy. Is Nasdaq dropping? No, no, it's not. That's telling me Tesla's a little weak today. It's not following Nasdaq. There's days where it follows Nasdaq to the candle, and there's days where it's just on its own. Those days where it's just on its own, it's a little bit risky. I'm not gonna lie. 46, 46. What a number to get pulled off. From 46, 46. What was the high of today? I don't think so. Look at that. Look how it's riding the EMA. This is beautiful. Like it's just not pulling back under it. There is still some more room for upside. What's the 5-minute EMA at? 43, 42. Do you guys remember those days where AMC would just like collapse and it'd be oversold? This is literally the opposite. Every single red candle we've had here, the next one, the next green candle is just eats up the high. Red candle here eats up the high. Can we see another green candle here to see maybe $47? A push to 47? I know I can do it. I know I can do it. Vortex is still showing the same data, same numbers. If there's a healthy pullback, I would say 45 would be a healthy number for a pullback. If that's the case, if we don't see another rip. Alrighty, here we go. Moment of truth, baby. Give us a new high or support. So looking like support. It's crazy to think it's like gonna be the end of July and it's like AMC and GameStop are still here, you know? How longer do you guys think these stocks would be relevant? We're still battling mid 45 level. Come on, let's get another push here. Unless we're gonna see under EMA. Don't come under EMA. GameStop just fell under EMA. Is AMC gonna follow? SPCE 33. Is it really moving up? Yep, it did not come down under 30. Oh, it did slightly yesterday. What did we see? 29.54. But then it immediately bounced back. But remember, yesterday we had Bezos and Blue Origin going suborbital. So I think that also definitely had some influence on the stock price. But now we're rebounding. It's up 3%. 33. It's busting an AMC as well. And like I said, I think if it could break 34, there is some move. There's some room for an upside. An upside swing to maybe like 38. But again, you're playing the risk that it comes down on you. It's a fake out. It's like a bull trap, and it comes down to 30. That's my only concern. Since this is only like the second day we've held, so I'd say above 30. Hmm. 45 still. Let's see what's trending. Up, Ben, it's all my fault. It's everything. 35 million volume for AMC. Nice. Still battling mid 45 level. The train has kind of, slowed down here, so this tells me that it's either gonna load up for another rip up to 46.50, in which that's probably the most likely scenario, or it's gonna pull back to some healthy support levels. I mean, we have some. Look at the EMA on the 5. It's at 43.74. Let's call it 44. I don't think we'll pull back that aggressively. Maybe 45, 44.50 the lowest, but like I said, I think we're in for another push up. This is looking like yesterday. Strength is there, support levels are there. The support and barrier evening out. That's what I'm seeing too. Damn you, Tesla, you didn't come down for me. Now we have to just be patient. Hmm. Come on. Oh. Look at this. It's literally doesn't want to come down under the blue line, which is our EMA. I don't know what's up with my Twitter. I haven't been getting any news like on stocks. I haven't seen any. Oh, hmm. Have I been missing something or what? Did I like unfollow some people or Kramer and Kagmite? I don't know what happened. Like, I just feel like it got quiet out of a sudden. I'm not getting any updates on news or and whatnot. Let's go on Kramer's Twitter. Let's see what he's tweeting. Well, Bitcoin speculators got shelled. We have Tether on the griddle tonight. Impressive rally in AMC by the do or die Wall Street betters. Wall Street betters. Literally, Kramer's do the opposite of what he says. He's saying sell AMC at 30, it rallies. Buy DD, it crashes. It's gonna be a big red sign when he says buy AMC or AMC's going to 100. That's gonna be the biggest red flag. He's even talking about Chipotle. They may have realized that talking about inflation has got everybody generally feeling bothered. Yeah, it's just been inflation this, inflation that, interest rate, the 10-year. But nothing too breaking news. I think I need to just follow more people or more of these accounts. I'm not seeing anything. I mean, we have to wait a couple more weeks for the next print of the CPI. Here comes a ladder down. No, I would say it's a healthy pullback. I mean, AMC was red. It went to green. Not just green, it hit a new high. There's still some healthy pullback here, some cushion for pullback. I mean, yesterday midday we had some pretty decent pullbacks too, but it was immediately followed by more demand. Look at this. We had a couple pullbacks too, from 39 to 37. Small pullbacks. Maybe you should have a day of anti-Kramer trades. Whatever he says, you do the opposite. I'm probably sure I could beat the market like that. Or have like some algorithm that just feeds off his Twitter feed and just does the opposite. Resistance. There's some pressure here at 45. Once again, there is still some cushion for it to pull back. Damn you, Tesla. Really, damn you. All right, AMC's moment of truth right here. Make a dis. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Virgin Galactic hitting new highs. Nice. All right, make up your mind, AMC. Where are we going? We're gonna battle 45.50s again, push to 46, or are you gonna pull back even more? We want 46. Have a separate portfolio just for anti-Kramer trades at the end of the year, and let's see what we end up at the end of 2022. That'd be great. Or text, speak to me. Nope, no updates. Let's go to GameStop. What is it showing here? GameStonk. Literally the same S. Oh wait, did I? The same SI 14.57 as AMC. Their increase is 1.3%. So they return, quote unquote, they returned 18K shares and they borrowed 120. AMC is 14. So it was 14.57 for GameStop, and it's 14.66 for AMC. See, on loan, still showing 94 million. I guess GameStop likes the Ortex data because it's moving back to 193. AMC is still a little indecisive. I think it might go for that 46 push here. I know Rob uses what was it, Rob? Shortinterest.com, right? I think that was the website. Shortinterest.com, something like that, or shortsqueeze.com. There we go, GameStop. I wonder what other websites show. Unless they're all pulling it out. Unless they're all pulling data from FINRA. Excuse me, then everything should be the same. Oh, I guess AMC is going for that 46 push. GameStop 194. Shortsqueeze.com. Okay, AMC on here is showing 15%. How about GameStop? GameStop was what, 14.57? Here it's showing 14.18%. So not too much of a discrepancy. FINRA. Been return for AMC 75.48 million shares, which Ortex is showing 90 something million. AMC is going for that 46. Still very strong. Damn you, Tesla, with the new high. 46, 46. Too many green candles, man. 195 GameStop. AMC with a random push to a new high. What was it, like 9 cents above the high we had earlier, 46, 46? It's interesting how some days on Twitter all you see is like the Delta variant, and on some days it's just quiet. GameStop is right at 200. Come on, it's right there. 95. Let's take a look at SPY. Coming off new highs. Slight pullback here on Nasdaq. Bring down the Tesla. Here's a little quick glance at the heat map. Not looking too bad, honestly. I mean, Monday was pretty bad. Tuesday we had a strong rebound, and today we're kind of holding there. Stocks really truly only go up, huh? I'm starting to buy that news myself. Powell's in my head. Apple is going all in on 5G for its 2022 iPhone refresh. When is that new iPhone coming out? What are we at? iPhone 13, right? It's supposed to be coming out. iPhone 13 Pro to come in new colors, including bronze like sunset gold. It should be like a. They should return that red iPhone, right? I remember I had the red iPhone. It could match my portfolio. Isn't that beautiful? I'm buying the Doge phone. You know Axe, you know the spray Axe made like a Dogecoin version? Like talk about marketing and tapping into culture. That's amazing. I want to work for like a company like that. Like a company that I like and can do something like this. That work on a project like this. Like this is something I'd love to do. Look at this. And Axe is something and you guys remember like recently like in well depending on obviously when you attended like middle school, but the locker rooms you walk in and you start like wanting to throw up. It would smell like Axe everywhere. Where's it at? Why is it not showing it? The Doge can, is that what it's called? Did they name it that? A Doge can? Yeah. No. Wait. Yeah, the Axe Doge can. Look at this. They're killing it on Twitter. I thought this was a like a joke at first. I thought somebody made this, and then when I saw it from the official Axe Twitter, this is insane. Yeah, it was yesterday. Like I'll never buy their products, obviously, but I think that's brilliant. I bet it smells like $1 billion. What's going on, Vinny? Finally above your average price for what? AMC or GameStop? What is this monkeypox thing? I've never heard of it. Monkeypox. How do you treat monkeypox? Currently, there is no proven safe treatment. Okay, that's not good to know. How is monkeypox transmitted? When a person comes into contact from an animal, human, or materials contaminated with the virus. It is a different virus family than the chickenpox. All right, AMC slightly pulling back again. Now, what are the odds of this like monkeypox getting serious and Moderna or Johnson and Johnson, for all we know, Pfizer have like this new vaccine for this? Like, it's getting ridiculous. It's getting crazy. Let's go to the 5-minute EMA on AMC. It's catching up, 44.29. So kind of still steady here, still in the green territory, hit a new high. It's all good. It's all good so far. I think by the end of the month we're gonna have that. Oh, we're gonna possibly have a big catalyst with the meeting for AMC. A dark musk. See, I didn't see that. World War Z. That was a good movie. Uh-oh. I think Tesla also, by the way, I think I saw a headline yesterday that the semis were actually going to be put into production. No, no, no. Oh, I saw it here somewhere. Uh, no, this is earnings preview, semi truck, Cybertruck pickup, and chip shortage and focus. Obviously, they said I remember the semi was introduced in what 2018 or 2019, and they were supposed to be put into production like the following year. It's 2021 and still nothing. The film was terrible. How dare you have a different opinion? Goldman flow desk, so they have flow of orders, right? No institutions bought today's dip. Goldman trader John Flood had some advice for its institutional clients. Don't buy this dip. He also mentions that he thinks this is a short squeeze. This is also the same thing I thought like last week when we kept seeing new highs. It didn't make any sense. I'm like, why are we seeing new high after new high? Like who's buying here? It was probably like a short squeeze. Hmm. Ortex, what are you saying? Up, it went up 0.4% for AMC. Tessa, we're still waiting for you, baby. We're still waiting for you. Come on down. AMC holding support at 45. That's definitely a very strong sign. 44 was a power hour high yesterday, headed into close, and we're holding that above that right now. Impressive. So me Kevin's actually suing California because I think when one of his videos, he couldn't have Meet Kevin on the ballot or something like that. Did anybody watch that video? And they told him, and then California told him to just sue them. Censorship update. I'm going to court. 3 p.m. hearing tomorrow. That's today. He tweeted that yesterday. Let's go. That's crazy. So California is not letting him have Meet Kevin, since that's what he's known as, Meet Kevin, on the ballot. Come on, AMC, do something. We're talking crap about Brad Pitt movies. I like the movie. I think it was a little, obviously it's a movie, right? A little unrealistic. I mean, the part where they fly out of the plane, or he throws a grenade and the plane just busts in half, I think, and he survives the landing. So AMC kind of the train again kind of cooled off here. It's finding support, which of course is always healthy. Healthy. We weren't seeing this 2 weeks ago, a week ago. It was just completely just nonstop new lows, just falling. Right now we're not seeing that. IWM. It's moving in coherence with AMC. GameStop still has a trend here on the day, like AMC does. You guys see the uptrends? AMC held it beautifully yesterday, GameStop as well. If today we see the same thing, beautiful. I think tomorrow we have a high chance of hitting 50, maybe even today into close. Oh yeah, I think he does pay for short squeeze. Is it worth it? Yes. I think Rob likes Ortex better, I'm not gonna lie. He says that's his favorite. Let's go to Tesla. I've never actually pulled up Tesla on Ortex. Let's see. Uh, 3% short interest. This was way higher like a couple years ago. How are these other meme stocks? It's like BlackBerry rallying today. Oh, nice. So they're still in that sector, huh? Damn, ALF completely flopped. This was at 22 and now it's back down to 10. Huh. How about Wendy's? Oh, it's green today. Clover? Nice. It's green up 2%. AMC's the big one here, leading up with 4%, but as of now, it's pulling back to some healthy support levels. Let's see it. Let's see. Is it going to test the EMA at 44? So it took like 12 minutes from the highs to pull back to some support levels. 12 minutes. Still pulling back. Sub 45. Is that going to affect GameStop? Is GameStop going to pull back to like 192? Let's see it. Let's see it. No, that's impossible. Hey, for some reason, I you know how I go live like, I go live in the morning, right? So I logged into YouTube, the normal procedure, and for some reason it made me verify my account or something like that. Like it made me do like the phone verification. Is that weird? I thought it was really odd because it never has it done that in the last 7 months. Never. Maybe somebody tried to sign in my account or something. Delete the channel. Kramer. Damn it, Kramer's always behind everything though. My Twitter, YouTube. I feel like one day we'll bring Kramer on YouTube for some reason. Yeah, Rob paid for the year up front because they are crooks. You know what happened with Fubo, guys? Fubo, the stock, obviously the streaming service. The same thing happened. I didn't voluntarily pay for the year. I was paying month to month. They charged me for a whole ass year. And they added like you know how you could record shows and they added that service. They added some cloud-based data service, and I never added any of that. I'm like, what the hell's going on? Like, why'd you guys do this? And they said, we can't refund you. We could give you credit to your account. I'm like, I don't want credit. I want my refund. And I was like, this is not right. This is not right what you guys are doing. And she's like, I kept going back and forth. She's like, okay, I'll escalate this to my manager. She's like, we'll do a one-time refund. We never do this, but here you go. What? Freaking Fubo, man. The stock was great. What is the stock at? 40? No, that's DraftKings. I'm so sorry. I'm getting confused with DraftKings. DKNG's was at 47. Fubo was, I know I had like this massive downtrend Fubo for quite some time. I was interested, but I never really pulled the trigger. Look at this. Twice off the highs of 60, and then it came back to 54 and had this crazy downtrend from February, my birthday, February 6th, all the way down to mid-May. And it finally kind of woke up here. Is anybody keeping up with the Olympics, by the way? All right, AMC's fine support, mid 44 level, 44.50. What's going on, George? Baby Doge is up a crap ton today, 50%. Why is Elon Musk tweeting about Baby Doge? Starts on Friday. Really? I thought they were already. I thought the Olympics started. I could have sworn they started already. Like the softball, I don't know, soccer too, for women's soccer. AMC short interest kind of went up again, like 0.5%. If someone signs in, hopefully they activate Windows for you. See, I haven't even messaged Microsoft for that. Like Rob actually bought me a Microsoft key. Yeah, Phil, they came out with the Doge can. Yeah, the soccer did, right? So I want to see the men's soccer. It's just been nonstop soccer too. You gotta love it. Baby Doge is up 46%. 0.00000000027 is the price. There's no way, stack slot. I'm telling you, Kramer's behind all this madness. Ethereum with the rally. AMC still holding very strongly here. Mid 44. Tesla. Gotta be patient on this one. There we go. Moving back up. Look at this bounce off the 5. This is beautiful. If this is the case, if this is the case, how about what did we do yesterday on the 5? I didn't take a look at yesterday on the 5 minute. Oh no, that wasn't yesterday. Okay. Wow. Literally like 4 hours from market open till 10:20 here. It rode above the 5 minute, and then it kind of pulled back here at 10:20. 4 hours. And right now we're doing the same thing. What did we go from to? We went from 34, 35 to like $10. Man, that'd be amazing if we hit like 50, 52. Wouldn't that be crazy if we hit 52 today? 52. Kramer's creeping. GameStop kind of flirting with the high here at 195. I can't believe the Bucks won yesterday. I got wrecked twice. Last game and this game. I was going for the Suns. AP scores are trending. Students are receiving their AP scores. Somebody tweeted, don't know who needs to hear this, but Bitcoin is going to new all-time highs this year, and bears will be in disbelief the whole way up. I need to screenshot this tweet. How do I do this again? Whoops, that wasn't the right one. All right, there we go. Oh, that was a bad screenshot. Let's do it again. Go for a walk. No, I'm gonna go to my one of my boys actually bought a restaurant last year, like right at the start of the Rona virus, and he's finally opening up. He remodeled everything and whatnot, so I'm gonna head down to there. Only thing I like the Sun over Bucks is that Chris Paul getting a ring. He didn't even get a ring. Has he ever even won a ring? No, right? Chris Paul? Nope. Damn, that sucks. That was his first time out of finals. Damn. Yeah, he looked really, really disappointed. All right, guys, we're gonna end it here. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure you slap a like on the video, subscribe if you're new. We go live every single night, Monday through Friday. We'll leave you with GameStop at 194, right under the highs, as well for AMC at 46, continuing the uptrend. We went from red to green. It's up almost 5% today, and it's very nice to see a reversal and finally some support and demand and volume truly coming in on AMC. So, what's today? Wednesday, right? Yeah. So we'll see what happens on Thursday, tomorrow, and Friday. Let's see what happens. So I'm still waiting for Tesla to really, really come down, and it's not coming down for me. It's just sideways, flat. Literally, it's up 0.15%. Tesla's nothing today. So let's wait and see. Hopefully, you guys have an amazing rest of your morning. I will see you guys